Well, you're at Electrocross, which is the Field of Dreams, which is the new electro motocross circuit here in Havia. We're selling Sur-Rons as well as putting them out there, as well as kids' bikes we've got from ages 6 to say 12 years old, and then 13 up to adults. And basically it's the closest way of getting people into off-road sport. It's basically, they're electric. They're totally 100% electric, so we're not upsetting any neighbours. We're eco-friendly, so we're not dumping any fuels or oils on the ground or anything like that. And the bikes themselves, we're using a Kuberg Little Cross Hero for the children, and for the adult, 13-year-old adults, it's the Sur-Ron Light B X off-road bike, which is absolutely fantastic bike. They can look at the website electrocross.es. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're Costa MX Spain, bringing electrocross.es, and for sales we're just launching a website now which will be surronmoto.es.
Well, we've got the crash helmet on, but it's a little bit something different this time. We're at Electrocross ES, the Field of Dreams, and I've already had a quick little blast on it, and these are brilliant. We just put it into sports mode now. So I'm going to put the GoPro helmet on and just show you that these are fantastic. This is a must buy for 2019.